How to find your Instagram comments, Instagram mobile application. I will do this tutorial using my Android phone, but you can always follow the same step on iOS, any device Instagram officially supports. Before we follow this tutorial, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. Okay, first off, just make sure that your Instagram mobile application is already updated to its latest version. You can consult both Play Store or depending on your device. Okay, and once you're done that, just open your Instagram application and then go to your profile. It's usually on the bottom right side of things, so you will be presented with your profile screen right here. Just click on the three lines icon on the top right and then choose your activity from the context menu. Choose interactions on the next screen. Okay, and then from that interaction screen, just choose on comments. Now, as you can see that you can view all of your comments. These are all mine, so that's pretty much the whole tutorial. If you find this tutorials to be helpful and you wanted to see more, please make sure that you hit that subscribe, like and comment down to our channel. If you have any suggestions or any topics that you want us tech tricks to cover, please do not hesitate to put it also on the comment section down below. Cheers, I hope it helps, and until the next tutorial YouTube, bye.